Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, I'm sure you heard me this week ngikhala kakhulu ngendaba yokuthi emadlanga ke somebody sicela akabuze ngendaba kaSenzo Meyiwe noma ekanamhla ke oyindaba something, you know, until this Khosana guy there at the parliament at the ad hoc asked ubheki icele about indaba kaSenzo Meyiwe. Yabona nje guys, indaba kaSenzo Meyiwe ngapha uGininda uGininda guys can create things. How can you create sisangoma? Was just like I don't even know lesi sangoma engikhuluma ngaso. Hey guys, you know it's a lot. I do upload ubheki icele though. He actually said a mouthful. Yeah, he was joking as well here and there. Where he said also O'Sullivan. Sisazoqoba indaba kaSenzo Meyiwe. O'Sullivan, octopus, he's everywhere. But he is though. He is. He's just nje everywhere lo muntu loyana. You know? But ke bese kuba lento ukuthi General Mkhwanazi fanele retract some of the stuff he said about him around my bank accounts and ukuthi uCap Matlala was putting money in his bank accounts. Guys, leyo fanele si retracteni because the problem with things like that, my bank accounts, you need to have proper proof from lezi zinto zoGininda ebhalwe ngezandla umzula ngithi umuzi. You need to have proper proof from the bank ukubona. Hey guys, I was still saying ukuthi yo ubheki icele said a mouthful lo baba lo guys yo. I was just like amabhoma angaka so many things ekhuluma nga some guy called Bibi wasethembisa, and then officer kuHlentuli ukuthi officer kuHlentuli was serving 6 life sentences. uBibi ake siqale ngoBibi angisamsabe kanje. uBibi guys wenza ama heist 43 guys, that's all he does. And uyasho ukuthi ngeke uzothi ufuna iheist uphathe broomstick. It's impossible. So put some guns, things that are you don't want anyone on your way. You just like it, papa, everybody. You finally a man. Because that guy was also asking him in ad hoc community. So did he take the money? What's that's the whole point of the heist. You funny man. He's taking the money. If he wasn't taking the money, then let's get city. I'm a heist must. Oh, this baby guy is in jail here apparently now. Bese kuzoba officer kuHlentuli ke with 6 life sentences la kuSenzo Meyiwe yamazi ke. I mean, I've said it many times ukuthi vele inini case kumguludo besigebengu, but what they trying to do yena nomshololo to claim on Senzo Meyiwe's case because vele he wasn't there, just they needed him or wayemdinga uGininda. We understand. And officer kuHlentuli the way it is ngathi besebenza namanye ama politicians nabanye abantu abakuma high profile situations ukuthi ahambe ephapawa abantu. You understand? But kulama life sentences akawu 6. When he came out, he wanted to pow abantu who were witnesses around all those cases as you see that gave him those 6 life sentences. I'm just like ba hardcore office okuhle. Umuntu uhambone emuhle hle lapha phansi eclean uthi nje oh my gosh. And mostly it's crazy how most igebengu they are so handsome. Ubuka nje uCap Matlala. You just like please. And lo muntu lokuthi ubenza izinto ezi hardcore emabelodi elwa nabanye kuthiwa Boko Haram lapha ya elwa nayo ethu John Wick, but he wasn't necessarily a John Wick. He used to send other people to do it so that he can take over Pretoria and be his. I'm just like gay guys. These people you pass them every day like wasensini uthano sham. Bukeke nemali lo uyahamba ugibela iLamborghini yakhe mayiqeda lapha eSandton City. You just like oh my gosh. Kanti we sigibeli ngu of isigeleke of emgulu ukuthi uyibuza ukuthi kodwa Nkosi yami why isingeneli masabantu hayi uswonile sham. He didn't play with us. Ubheke hayi told us straight ukuthi yazi nina ngisasekude shame. Sasekude phambili. And it also is because we've also allowed foreigners to come to our country. Uyazi ukuthi hey bayasabisana babantu abanye babo. Guys, oh it's crazy guys the way it is. It is crazy. Oh Aisha, I'm just like ngeke guys. Something must be done, something must be changed. And Julius Malema yazi ukuthi sometimes manje zeyigulela but uyazisho izinto that make sense. Yazi ukuthi uthe when it was apartheid wake wabona other African countries helping us, but manje bagcwele la seloku nje sasithola umbuso bagcwele la, and manje they wanna take over futhi i-country. You just like, guys, you don't even know what you're doing anymore. Bese kuba uJerry Bushogha. Uyabona lo mama lo umaka Jerry Bushogha in a way has lost 2 children. Just we don't know if Jerry Bushogha is still alive. She lost another child to mama lo that worked as a host because because he was just gay, yabona. But ngibona futhi ukuthi wabulawela lokho. Mina that's just my thing. Yabona lo mama lo. Oh, she's been through the most. Ngikaze ngibona into ekhala kanje on live TV. Kwi-cutting edge ekhalela umntana wakhe ukuthi loka lahleka and udiabetic uJerry akazi noma right noma akekho right. Ayikuthi wakuhanje kokoseshwa indlu kaKethi Matlala. Leyo Kethi Matlala ngazi when did they wake up and become these crazy people abafuna imali ngalelo hlobo luyinduzula kanje. So when they go to his house, Matlala's house, they go there, you know those big houses, right? They will have like maybe 2 or 3 cottages outside, but it's normally 2, and then security hlala khona when they go to sleep, and then there is also like a helper's quarters, yabona. Baqale bathole iMalawian guy there ushuthi he takes care of this place yaMatlala base bethi, you know, we just here to search, and I search, go out on those rooms, and then apparently this guy Yusuf or something like that said akekho uMatlala, right? And he was there. Imagine nenkosikazi yakhe noGhana ba-check ngaphandle ba-check, and then there are rooms nje ufile ukuthi zivaliwe normal vele bakanjalo labantu abakanje. There's rooms that are closed ezingavulwa la bathi ayifanele bevulelwe ama-rooms fanele sibone ukuthi khonani lapho. In one of the rooms outside bathi babone ikhethini almost like ikhethini futhi ilona basically it's not even almost the one that you see on Jerry's bembophile uJerry lapho kufuneka lo 25 million. Ngibuza ukuthi uJerry wenzani kuMatlala guys lengaka. I'm also asking myself where is Jerry? Is he still alive even? Hardcore. Kethi Matlala, and I think after the Jerry one and more especially, I don't think he's gonna get bail. His bail, which means it's gonna be heard this coming Monday, bigger next on Friday. Was it heard? Did it go into court? They said Friday or Monday. Babonele locating, and then endlini ukhona uKethi Matlala futhi mesebengena endlini like how most your helper said you're not here. This Malawian guy athi ay ngazana the standing cabanga in the bedroom and the wife khona lapho in that mix there's also guns ezibekwe ezilengayo in a like, you know, like you see in the movies basically. I'm just like ezilenga in the walls there. They're like, no, that's not allowed, bro. Like you can't have, even if you have, they asked him for the licenses for those firearms. What he has, even if you do, because you can't. They don't have children, can't they? Even if they didn't have, you can't just join Ubenama guns that are lingering in your hebo. Because it's in your walls, on your walls actually. Crazy things like that. And then they're just like, but you cannot even be serious right now. So basically the Malawian guy lied. But I guess most of the when I think your main thing, and especially if you're from outside, you're like, even if you're a South African, what is important to you is, can I just save the money month end so that I can send home? Awuthi lo muntu wenzani angene nowhere. Okubona guys indaba ka Matlala ke bathi uyena ke nje basically who kidnapped uJerry. Mina ngithi ababuyele masendlini yakhe again bayolanda uJerry khona, or he must tell them where Jerry is and they can't get bail this guy. And then Katiso yena, don't you think ukuthi then ufana nofisa ukuthi no Bibi they get bails abantu bakhona, and then they're gonna do the same thing Ngoba phela uKatiso is gonna be again on those witness A, B, and C. U-C naye is busy, bro, is the one that was now dropping bombs. Ekhuluma le ndaba le ukuthi no Jerry ba inside phakathi. Ukwabona ba kidnapiwe ubrothers lo. But it was clear noma ka Jerry washo was Matlala. Cabanga guys umama umdala kangaka. Ekhalela ingane yakhe ngalo hlobo angayazi noma isaphila or not. This is actually messed up her family. Ingane ayisayina sesikoleni. They showed Jerry's child, you saw, I'm sure, on Cutting Edge. If you haven't seen that video, guys, please go see it. It's heartbreaking. I don't even think you can finish such a video, actually. It's very heartbreaking, that video. You just like, I get you guys. I wanna the greed, the power, it becomes something else. Manga kongu control doesn't uzugula.